I'm at Treehouse Brewing in Tewksbury, picking up 24 cans of 16-ounce beer, and I think 6 bottles, and I'm in the Two Wheels Welding narrow Panniers. Wish me luck. Okay, this is what we have. We try to get it into these boxes. Also, these boxes are full. Working. So we have 2 here on the exhaust side, which will get hot. But I think I'm going to do is actually I'm going to pull these shoes over to here, and then maybe put some bottles in the shoes. So 2 bottles are in the shoes here. That should be okay to put like a sock on top of those or something. I could put 2 more bottles in here actually, but I think what I'm going to do instead, this is really heavy. I think what I'm going to do instead is put these 2 bottles in the tank bag, the Moscow bag. All right, we did it. 24 cans and 6 bottles. No, 26 cans and 4 bottles in here. This thing is starting to show condensation because it's so damn cold. But Two Wheels Welding, 8-inch Panniers, we did it. Case of beer. I got home late last night after dark, so I couldn't film the final result. But left side, non-exhaust side, I ended up getting in here all 24 cans with space for my 2 size 13 sneakers that each had a bottle in them, so that worked fine. So 24 cans and 2 bottles on this side. On the other side, I had all my clothes and that big HDMI cable, and so I put 2 more cans over here. Because they're on the exhaust side, those cans got pretty warm, which is fine. It's not ideal, but it is what it is. And then I put 2 more 12-ounce bottles in here, split it up by this divider right there in the middle. So that's my process. I actually could have, if I wanted to put my sneakers in my backpack had room. If I put my sneakers in my backpack, I could have put 4 more cans in my backpack, and I used the green chili ADV straps, which I love. I'll link to those in the description. I just love those things. I have a 15% off code if you want to use it. But anyway, I strapped that to here and just had the backpack here for the way home. Let's go check out the final results. Final result. Now, I already drank one last night while I was watching MotoGP, but now it's 25 cans of 26, and then the 4 bottles are down here as well that we picked up. Great haul, and this is not an ad or anything. It's just I've had those Two Wheels Welding 8-inch Panniers for like a year now, and when I first got them, I was kind of nervous that they were going to be too limiting. Now I have full-size 10-inch Jesse Panniers, Odyssey 2s, or Challenger 1s, and then I have their GS Pro Challengers that go to the OEM racks that are also 10 inches, or maybe they're 11 inches. They're huge. I just don't use those much because they stick so far off the bike. And I was like, man, I really should have put Jesse's on for this trip to Boston because I was buying all this beer. I actually could have fit like another 4-pack in the bike. So, yeah, it's pretty impressive. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. Ride safe.